I'm Marissa Voorhees. I'm a caterer, party planner, personal chef, and holistic health coach. Get nourished with Catering by Marissa's Kitchen. So today we are making a papaya and milk smoothie. And papaya, usually I like to use frozen fruit. Papaya is a really hard one to find frozen, but when it's in season, it's beautiful. And certainly what you can do is you can spoon it out and keep those spoonfuls in a bag, put that in the freezer and use it frozen when you want. But when it's beautiful and fresh, I like it to go fresh in, and I use other frozen fruits. So for the papaya and milk smoothie, we are going to do a cup of coconut milk, 3/4 of a cup or so of frozen strawberries. We're going to do half of a fresh papaya. And in this one, a good way to get some protein is tofu. I like to add silky tofu into my smoothies. And so you're just going to do about 1/4 of the wedge of tofu. This is going to go into the smoothie as well. Now, if you need a little bit of sweetener, you can add agave nectar. And one of my tricks for agave nectar, a great place to buy agave nectar is at places like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, those places. They have a whole section now of the healthier ingredients, and you can get this at the best deal I've been able to find around. So when shopping for that kind of stuff, look over in Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. So we're going to add these different things in, and you're going to do the cup of coconut milk, and you're going to add in, now if you don't like coconut milk or can't do coconut milk, any milk is fine. But for this one, I do have coconut milk. The strawberries and the tofu goes in. So you're going to scoop in the papaya. Half a papaya is great for this one. And once you blend it, if you decide that you'd like it a little bit sweeter, just add a little agave nectar to it. A little agave goes a long way. So in goes your papaya, all that delicious juice and fruit meat. In it goes, and you blend. And once it's nice and blended, serve it on up. Pretty color, isn't it? And enjoy. I'm Marissa Voorhees, the food sensitive foodie. I hope you make sure you nourish, love, and celebrate today.